friends, Erika here. This video is brought to you by Traci Reed Designs. Hello everyone! Sorry I've been a little bit MIA, but I'm back today for a Traci Reed design team hop using her brand new collection called Summer Camp. It is beautiful. I used one of her stamps to create a cut file, and I'm going to use the magic of YouTube to cut all my pieces out and then again to back my cut file. It's just a little bit of a repetitive process, but if anybody has questions about how I do it, how I cut it out, I do use my We Are Memory Keepers craft knife to do so. Just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to get back to you. Now I'm coming in with this Distress Oxide spray in Faded Jeans, and I'm going to make a little sprinkle and maybe a little drizzle, and okay, maybe a full-on rainstorm, but I am loving how this is looking so far. And you know what? I think I'm actually going to come in with this Forest Wilderness and just filling in the gaps here. I think I have a couple gaps I'm going to fill in, and there we go. And now I'm going to use the magic again to add some sun rays. I absolutely love this, and I fussy bladed out some of these adorable clouds to complete my scenery. I did also cut out some stars that you see above my page. I'm going to come in with them as well to fill in some gaps and just kind of add to the scenery. Plus they're just so darn cute. I can't resist using them. I did also tear out these flowers that are basically the same paper that I backed the Chase the part of my cut file with, and I just enlarged them to complete the scenery, and that's it. It's a very simple, easy, quick page, but it's colorful and it just made me so happy. And I hope it does to you too. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day and that you check out everybody else participating in the hop. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.